Welcome to the lesson Comments in Code. In this lesson, we'll learn how to comment out lines in a code. Let me copy and paste a few lines from the previous lesson. For example, if I want to write a note on somewhere here, I want to say it prints hello world. This line is a comment. The program will ignore this line when compiling. Let's run this and see what happens. It has printed these two lines as expected, but it has simply ignored this. If I had not typed those forward slashes, it would have complained. It would have said there is a mistake. Okay, consecutive statements on a line must be separated by, because it is sort of the program is confused. What does it means? Because it has no meaning in programming. Know that programming is a structured language. Every dot, every word, every letter has an importance. So you cannot just write anything like that. So there is a specific way you write two forward slashes to show the program that it has to ignore this line. So this is one way of commenting two forward slashes. Okay, and even with the code, for example, this line of code, I want to comment it out. I want the program to ignore this. I can just do shift and forward slash. Shift and forward slash introduces two forward slashes, and it has commented this out. So now this is the only valid programming line in the program now. So it's running, and we have just the one hello world here. These are small comments. It is used most frequently, but there is another longer comment. If your comment is multi-line, the syntax is forward slash followed by an asterisk. Okay, and then this is the start of your comment. You can end it anywhere by asterisk followed by forward slash. So this is anything in between is your comment. It will be ignored by the program. You can write anything here, and this will be part of a large comment. So these are the two ways to comment. Two forward slashes, this covers just one line, and this longer syntax, this which can be any long as you want.